A taco making company has a fixed overhead cost of 50 grand. Ooh, for rent, insurance, and other expenses. It costs an average of 26 cents to produce each taco, assuming these are the company's only costs, which is definitely not true. Write a model to represent what the company spends to produce X amount of tacos. All right. Well, if you have $50,000, okay, and that's you want costs. C is cost. Okay, you're going to start out with $50,000. However, you gain. Oh, it also costs 26 cents to produce each taco. So plus 26 cents per taco. Did I call that a letter X? X tacos. And is that all I have to do? Yeah. Strange problem. It's almost too easy, but that's what it is. It's basically asking for what's the cost if everything is going to cost $50,000, period, and then 26 cents per taco. That's how much you're going to spend per taco. So that's it. Don't overthink it. I kind of did, but don't overthink that one. That one's a lot easier than it looks.